Hi, my name is Ravi and I'm from CSF Cooling, and we are standing in front of our Mitsubishi EVO-X race car. We started this off a World Challenge chassis that had crashed. The only thing that we actually kept out of the entire car was the 25-point roll cage. Our design philosophy with this car was to work with the best companies from Southern California. We started with the turbo kit from Built. It's got a reverse rotation Garrett turbo, dual wastegates from Turbo Smart, and we matched that up with some parts from Magnus Motorsports in Canada. We got his intake manifold, his drive-by-wire throttle body, and then we did the whole system with Rywire, who made it a drive-by-wire fuel and electrical system. It's got CSS vertical flow intercooler, tuck radiator, and oil cooler down here in the passenger wheel well. We got the best parts from Turbo Smart and Garrett. A lot of help from the Southern California companies. On the outside, we commissioned with LTNW to do a custom wide body kit. It's painted in BMW Alpine white, and it's finished off with Rotoform 3-piece forged wheels, sitting on really nice Toyo tire, R888R. Perfect for the track. We're doing shift sector with this half mile. It's really good tires. Some of the other small design characteristics is we got the June and Craft Square mirrors from Japan, Barry's taillights in the back, and let me take you onto the inside and I'll show you some of the things that we have going on there. Kept it real minimalistic, but real functional. There's only one controller in the entire car, and that's that PDM display in the center console. That's how you start the car, fuel, turn lights, fans, everything's right there. Full interior by Sparco, 2 Rev2 seats, Sparco steering wheel, shift knob, and harnesses. It was all wrapped in Alcantara by Rogelio's Upholstery in El Monte. And all the custom paneling for the doors, the center console, the dash, it was all done by ASC Speed Metal in San Diego. No expense spared with the build. We really wanted to be able to touch on all the details, really make a show car, but at the end of the day, it was a race car. And I think we've done a pretty good job with that. Really like to thank all the companies that came on board to help. Even tidbits like Downstar with all the nuts and hardware, Chasing J's with some of the titanium bits to kind of finish off the builds, MB Performance with the powder coating on the interior panels and some of the accents in the engine bay. And yeah, we're really happy with it. Cybex with the ECU, we're just looking forward to getting that tuned up and getting it back on the racetrack and trying to take it on some tracks around the world. That's what we're trying to do.